Hi everyone. In this video, I'd like to talk about how I applied my PhD. I completed my MSc in 2021, and from 2021 I work for a few companies, and one of the company that I work, so the last company I work, actually 30% of the people, they have their PhD. And last month I saw a PhD position that is actually perfect. So I always wanted to do a PhD with C++ programming language and also in aerospace engineering. I've had that desire since my second year undergraduate, and when I saw the advertisement I was very happy, and I thought, oh my god, this is a dream come true. If I get it, then I actually got it. So I sent my application with personal statements. Obviously it's very long, and also I wrote that what's my plan in doing the PhD. How is it? I actually write down everything, what I want to do, what year, like how long it takes. Even put a Gantt chart to it. And then I had to submit 2 references. So the PhD advert was open for 3 weeks, and a week later they called me for an interview. Then I had an interview with the first supervisor and the second supervisor. So a week later they sent me an email that I was successful. Here I am now. I'm doing a PhD. 5 weeks ago I gave my notice to my company, and then I resigned. For the last 2 weeks I've been going back and forth to campus to sort out my desk. So as a PhD student, I've got a desk that I can use every day in an office with other researchers, which is actually really nice because it's very different to my undergraduate or my master's degree. This is more like work. I've got a stipend monthly, so it's like a salary, or the stipend's obviously low. However, I've got about 2 to 3 months annual leave every year. Imagine that. And I can manage my time. And what I'm enjoying the most is because I always love research, and I always like to work independently, and I also like to work with other people. So this PhD is something that I like to do, of course, because I'm doing it now, because I missed doing academic writing when I was at work. So now I can practice my English academic writing, and I try to improve my speaking, of course, as well as presentation. So let's see. My friend who completed his PhD last weekend and he graduated, he sent me a photo, which is funny. That's why I'm like today I've dolled up a little bit. So this is my first video on my PhD journey, and I'd like to make a video probably every month or every 3 months, just to see how I'm doing. And I think it's going to be a really good experience, and I really hope I will never make a video if I quit a PhD. But I really want to document this journey because I cherish this opportunity, because 11 years ago I came to the UK with Indonesian high school qualification, which was equivalent with HND 2, something like that. Now I'm doing my PhD. You never know how life takes you. I'm amazed with this. I am amazed with my journey in the UK. I've been living in the UK for 11 years, turning around my life from it was so hard for me to find a job, until now I'm doing a PhD. I could get a job in industry as well because I left my job to do PhD. And anyway, wish me luck. I really hope this video will inspire you to do PhD if you want to do one. And if you don't want to do one, it's fine, because PhD is not for everyone. I really hope my PhD journey will be a fun ride. And yeah, I cherish this moment. Anyway, speak to you next time. Bye.